both the Pixel and Pixel XL. See Google introducing new internal specs instead of sticking with a 6-month-old chipset, and that's part of the reason you're paying a premium this year. The XL delivers the faster Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 processor, which is a step ahead of the 820 system-on-a-chip found inside the US Samsung Galaxy S7, the HTC 10 and the LG G5, for example. This 64-bit quad-core chip runs at 2.15 GHz with 4GB of RAM and an Adreno 530 GPU. That's one step ahead of its current Qualcomm-based competition. It cracked a 4000 multi-core score in our Geekbench tests, giving us an average of 4077 after 3 rounds with the CPU benchmarking app. That's impressive. What's interesting is that the 5-inch Pixel has the same specs, outside of the bigger battery and display on the XL, giving us basically the same results after another series of tests. 4029. That's a big deal. If you want that curved screen from the Samsung, you have to ditch the 5.1-inch phone for 5.5 inches. If you want Apple's dual-camera setup, you have to forego a 4.7-inch handset for a huge 5.5-inch phone. With Google, the choice is a little easier to live with. We would have loved Google to push its phablet a bit further, but we also appreciate the company including all of the bigger phone features for often deprived smaller hands. At the same time, it feels easier to recommend the regular-sized Google Pixel if you are not into VR and big phones. Google's phone performance has come a long way in smaller packages, with solid call quality on both Verizon and AT&T in the US, and 47-second boot times. That really contrasts with the Nexus 6 from 2 years ago, which had us suffering through minute-and-a-half boot times. Like we said, a long, long way.